Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will learn about clutch switch, kill switch, and starter relay correlation and how we can use this for diagnosing the self-start problems or kill switch problem or clutch switch problem. So during the ignition on state, when the kill switch is switched on and when we press the clutch switch will activate the starter relay. If that doesn't happen in neutral condition, there is some problem in the circuit. That is, either clutch switch might be a problem, kill switch might be a problem, or starter relay. This is the normal clicking sound of clutch switch. So now we will hear the starter relay activation here. When I pull the clutch, the lever at the engine casing, you can see the movement and the clicking sound of the starter relay. This happens only when the kill switch is switched on and the bike is in neutral. So if the starter relay doesn't engage, self start won't work. So when I switch the kill switch off and when I press the clutch, the lever moves but there is no relay activating sound. So this is another case. A faulty kill switch doesn't make any sound from the relay as the circuit is open. So now we will see it again. When bike is in neutral, ignition on, kill switch on. When I press the clutch, there should be a relay activating click sound. So remember this. If there is any self-start problem, first filter this problem out so that we are filtering the clutch switch, relay and kill switch. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.